For your sketchbook page this week, I want you to do something with the cyanotypes that you've been creating. You'll notice also in the week's packet that I gave you a white pen, so use that too. One way to do this is to talk about the cyanotype process. You can write down instructions, draw diagrams, talk about how the process works. Another way to approach this page is to talk about a specific image that you created. Maybe it has some particular meaning, or maybe you can make up a story about it. I've added some photos in here of student work from the past few years. There are some great examples for you to see. Notice also that several of the pages added in a pocket or an envelope to put the extra cyanotypes in. This makes your book a little more interactive, so that's something to consider also. Enjoy your sketchbook exploration. I hope you like the white pen. It's my favorite pen. I love the way it writes over the painted pages. I thought you might like one too. I look forward to seeing what you've come up with.